We go to gym. Hey, I found it crazy. We're about to pull up. Pull up. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Hindi na kinukuha mo. Like, it's tempting me
Can I ask
though.
for permission though?
Gusto mo mag-ask? Kinder.
Kinder, but it's still the same, but only entirely different.
Softer.
Harder in between.
Hindi, we're not like before. We're not rascals anymore.
We're not rascals anymore.
Hindi ko nga alam paano kanina ako yung dati.
We just saw it and we kind of grabbed it and then we kind of drove
Natuwa.
it. I
Ano kayang-
see it. I want it. I got it.
Yes.
Is it recording?
Wow.
It's so easy. Because I use my friend's DSLR. It's so bigat. Tapos, ano pa siya. Like, it's so complicated.
Kahit ako tinatry ko yung mga ano ng friend ko. Yung mga,
Digicams nila.
hindi, yung mga ganyan din. Parang di ko maintindihan yung buttons. Eh, parang
But this is
cheat
so fun. Kasi, di ba? Like, we're both full storage. Tapos, at the same... tapos, ako, low-bat pa ako. And it's fun kasi there's no social media at all. To distract
code. So, pala
us.
music?
Okay lang. I can be the music.
No. Give me my phone. I want music. No social media, no. I want
I can be the music. Like I heard I had
Just
this
for the
one.
music. What music?
Look at her and I had
Edit
to
or
smile as we go driving for a while.
You gotta reel it.
Waiting for us. So chika me.
Girl, you already know everything.
That's it?
Huh?
That's it? I thought there's more. Good dreams. Cause they felt. I don't think I'd be able to leave this sidecar. I love this sidecar. Good dream. Whoa. I'm waiting for us in the world. I want passenger seat.
No!
Passenger seat.
Passenger seat.
And one more lap, please. I love laps. One more lap.
Ay, gusto ko yung isa pa yung come over to my place.
No, sure.
Okay.
Hey.
You gotta find us. But you can't find us.
Yeah, you can't find us. I'm gonna remove the strap muna.
Okay. You hold that
Yes. Ganda ng grip nga niya
It's so grippy. So romantic.
So romantic. Me and my baby with my sidecar. There's
More romantic than
a look
any
at
dates
her and I have to
ever
smile.
been with.
We go driving for a while. The window of my car as we go and see the lights. Look at the moon.
The moon is pretty.
Isn't it? And I've got all that I need. 'Cause right here in the passenger seat. And I keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me.
We're gonna wonder where we are.
So the ate girl who I told na 9:55.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but we kinda lie.
Wow. I'm so pro na.
And I've got all that I need. 'Cause right here in the passenger seat. Can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me.
Oh, I see a human.
Oh, ure, ure.
I feel like
Ure, ure.
niya pala.
Ay! No! At sa Tiana! Hey! Dream come true! Inches from me.
Ako mag-provide.
Dang, that was scary. Dati tayong yung iniiwan ngayon. Sila na.
Sama ka dyan.
Sige.
Pero napaata kami dito.
Sabi namin kay ate
Uy,
girl.
na-full storage kami. Ay, na-full storage ako.
Sabi natin kay ate girl, wait, ate, 15 minutes pa po.
Sabi ko kay Ninya, imposible nagpa-pictures na.
Bakit? Si Iya, di na nag-picture.
For you.
I can't keep my eyes on the road.
Knowing that she's inches from
Ang
me.
hirap naman ng bike na to.
Oo, pinaghirapan. Her and I have to smile for a while. Ooh, ate! You're scary! Road, that she's inches from me. I've taken his name.
Alam mo pa namin niram sa mga phone.
Nirason yung tuhod ko ah.
Nirason ko yung tuhod niya. Sabi ko, kasi sabi namin hindi. Sabi
Ala.
namin, kasi po yung,
Nilulok out na ba tayo?
kasi po yung pinsan ko po, gusto niya po maglipon. Ay,
Kinda scared.
yo, chill. Yo, chill. Ka-scary.
Grabe naman yung fight or flight.
Tuloy-tuloy sa iyo.
Passenger seat.
Tuwa-tuwa nga ako dun eh. Yun yung exercise ko po. Naka 30 minutes
Uy, may
ata.
gym ba? Ay, kuya.
Yung kuya guard support na support sa amin.
Kaya nga eh.
Hiramin niya. Sige, yung gym.
Andyan. Ay, siguro sa morning lang. Pero yun no. Ano nakalagay? Open daw! Ano to?
Di open ata. Testing natin.
Ask na natin.
Parang natakot.
Okay lang yan.
Scary.
That's the point.
Wala na tayong gagawin sa gym.
Ano tayo? Hindi na natin. Nandito pa tayo hanggang gabi, hindi na no.
So, ka BMW. Wait lang, mag-edit tayo. Dominga.
Sige,
Sasakay ka
new
ba
recording.
sa Dominga?
New recording.
Di ba mag-gym? Gusto ko mag-gym eh.
Ako rin eh. Wow, look at the moon. Isn't it so beautiful? Hi. That beautiful girl.
Wait lang.
Pang cloud.
Kasi daw, hindi. Pakita ka na. Balik niyo ah.
Side quest. Sasakay ka ba sa Dominga? Bakit ako first story?
It's okay, I've been through it. I'm surviving. But with 2 phones though.
Yo, I got a thirst trap.
Ito pa yung hidden, music taste.
Di ko kakabisado.
Hidden music taste. Ano yan? Ooh!
That's me, that's me. Weirdo.
Sabi daw open, oh.
Balik ako pa.
Sige. Wait, takbo lang. Takbo like, may nakita ka. Di ko ang tumbasa.
Ikaw naman. Ako naman upo.
Tingnan mo siya ang expert niya.
I got this.
Oh my God, diba?
Ay, bumigat na.
Nang ako lang, hindi. Uy, picture tayo dito. Wow.
Stop.
Sige, wait lang.
Ano, kaya? Baba ko. Okay.
Wait lang.
Ako na magod siya. Leg muscle. Leg day. Yay. One more. I got this. Leg day nga eh. 1, 2, 3.
Ay,
Kanina okay.
Hey, baba na ako. Teka lang.
baba ka muna, tapos balik ka.
Pagod na ako. Napagod na ako. 10K PH lang dahil.
This is our side quest.
Na para pa naglumagpas tayo sa 10K PH.
Hirap siya, di ba? Leg day.
Leg day.
Lumiting.
Ang kahit anong salap.
BMW.
Okay, bucket list.
Ano pa yan?
Okay na yung bucket list ko.
2026.
Oo.
Oo.
Ito talaga yung bucket. Babalik na ba natin?
Hindi, ikot pa tayo. Saan ba si ate?
Ate, sandali lang po ah.
Ay.
Eh. Girl, I miss
Hey! May dulot din yung pagbabike mo ng ano.
Oh, ako nag-bike doon dati. Kaso nag-agreement kami, 30 minutes ko lang dyan Kasi,
Gusto mo, akin mo na yung phone mo, baka mahirapan.
Oo nga, kanina ka pa. Tapos pagtugan niya pa ganyan.
Uy! Kaya ba natin yung host?
Kaya yan! I believe in Mika.
Uy!
Hey!
Ayun yung room oh. Yung room. Oh, wow. Hey, were you checking me, baby? Nanonood sila?
Ata.
Yung ganda dito.
ito na yung natin.
You know.
Vacation house.
Yes.
Nangyakit na tawagin ko kayo, wala hindi kayo sumasagot.
Wala eh. Yung isa kasi full storage. Yung...
Hanap na, alam mo ulit kami.
Hindi ko nakatanggin sa playground, pero sarado yung playground. So, somewhere lang kayo.
Eldest sister, eldest cousin instinct.
Kala ko
You know me too well. I get control.
Ako na magbabalik. Ikot ka nga dyan.
Oh.
Tignan natin.
Eh,
This is the part where we can go.
Diyan tayo kumain dati, di ba?
Ate Tena!
Nasaan siya?
Ay, wala.
Wow, para lang.
Banking.
Patugtog tayo ng iba.
Ate, baka maipit siya. Huwag ka magbandak na.
Patugtog ng iba.
Ikaw na po.
Sige. Anong maganda? Yung something last Friday night, gano'n. Ano yung binaba mo natin? Shout out to my ex.
Dito mo na kay ate, sa haba na to eh.
Sige.
Teka lang.
Kuha mo SD card mo.